We're back again. With less than 1 month until this project hands over, let's have a quick look and see where the team are as of today. As you can see in the living room right here, these guys are busy here laying down the new MEP for the new pipework for the kitchen. All of this area here has all been reconfigured, so pipes have needed to be changed. We've tiled the whole of this living room area with this beautiful new grey tile. These guys are just making sure it's nice and flat, as you can see. Moving up onto the stairs, you'll notice we've ripped this massive wall out. We're waiting for the new glass insert to go in, and these steps are going to be very nicely covered with some tiles too. Upstairs, we've added this nice little cubby hole. This will be a desk area for a child or whatever. This room's not had a lot done to it apart from a suspended ceiling and some wardrobe rearrangements. The master bathroom on this side, this guy's busy here watertightening everything for the tiling to happen. Major changes in this room. We put a bath in, moved bits around and stolen a part of this room too. Moving into the master suite, we have arranged a few things here differently, and this sexy new bathroom with the green tiles and the marble effect tiles looking quite swift, if I do say so myself. Out onto the balcony area, not much going on here just yet, and the hallways, cameras are in, suspended ceiling done, and some rerouting of wiring. Coming through here again into the hallway, we have liftoff, and that's an update for you today. I'll follow up in a couple of weeks and show you where we are.